Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. Sis, I gotta show you how I got this poppin' ass look right here. Keep watching. Alright y'all, so I already primed my face, did my eyebrows and stuff like that. This look is going to be really easy. It just requires a lot of blending. So I'm going to go in with a dark brown. And this is going to be my crease, my blending, my transition, all that color. I'm literally just building this brown up because I want this brown to be like prevalent. You see me just building a brown. I only went in with one brown. Next, what I'm going to do is, this is where all the blending comes into play because I'm using about 3 different colors. I'm going to take a black and I just dipped it into this black once, and you're going to see, or as you're seeing right now, I'm just blending this black in. That's it. I'm blending it from the outer corner and I'm going to stretch it all the way over across my crease. So I'm just blending. I have not dipped back into that thing because when you use blacks, you really have to like be really careful because once it's on it, sis. So blacks, you really just have to be careful. As you see, I'm just blending this black out and bringing it all across my lid from the beginning to the inner corner. I mean, from the outer corner to the inner corner of the lid. And I really just wanted to blend this black out because I need it to be placed there. And next, what I'm going to do is go back in with that brown and just blend those two colors together. But again, I want that brown to be like popping. You have a chocolate brown, it's in your palette, but you want that brown to be popping. Like seriously, that's your transition, your crease, all that color. Just make sure that brown is popping. Now what I'm going to do is take this black and place it directly in the inner crease corner. Now, I'm going to do it in the inner crease, and I'm also going to do it in the outer crease. I did it in the outer crease. Now, this is the inner crease. I'm sorry. Messing up my words. But now I'm going to go in with that black, and I really want it, like, prevalent. So I placed it in the outer crease. I'm placing it in the inner crease. And all you see me doing for real is just blending. Like, I want to make sure it's not too patchy. So, again, I'm going in with that black, and, again, I'm just, like, blending it out. I told you this look requires a lot of blending. Next, I'm going to go in with a blue. And this is like a matte blue. You could use a royal blue if you have it. It's like a matte aquamarine blue. And I'm placing that directly in front of that black. And it's kind of like overlapping the black. I did that so those two can kind of like blend. So I have it on the outer corner and the inner corner. What you do to the out, you're going to do to the in. And as you see, I'm just blending because I want these to mesh. So I'm blending that black and that blue. Now what I'm going to do is take like this. If you got like a glitter blue or a shimmery blue, because this is what I had, like a shimmery blue, and I placed that into the middle. And you could have cut the crease for this, but I didn't want to cut it. I was like, fuck no. Like, I'm going to let my brush do what I got to do because I felt like I was going to mess the look up. So I was scared to like cut the crease. And I'm happy I didn't because I naturally just let my crease come to play, as you can see, or my lid color come to play. My lid, okay, you got what I'm saying. But this blue is beautiful. I'm coming from the Morphe 35 Brights palette. That's the palette I came out of. On my brush, I have just a tad bit of black because I want to blend those colors all the way over. Then you're going to see me go in with like some of the brown too. But I just have that black and I'm just blending. Once you place your colors on, it's just all about blending. And that's all I'm doing in these next couple clips. I'm blending that black and that brown. I'm blending the black and the blue. And it's very little on my brush. I'm not adding anything. Now here, I wanted to add more like royal, that blue to the corner on top of that black and just blend it. I added it and all you're going to see me do is just blend. You could replay this video because simply I'm just blending it. That's it. I'm adding colors, you know, the same 3 colors just to intensify it. Again, I'm going back in with that chocolate brown and blending that because I really wanted that to stay. And the eyes are done. Like, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the brow. You know, my highlight and brow skills are whack as a bitch. And I said I'm going to try, like, doing my brows a different way. I'll have to explain it in a different way because I hate that I still highlight with an eyeshadow. Now, what I'm going to do, and this is most important, you guys know, I'm concealing, but I'm also cleaning up the eye look. And this is where you can form the shape of your eyeshadow or the shape of your eye. When you get directly under that eye right there and you take that concealer and you start to clean it up right there, sis. Yes, give me that sharpness. That's all you do. You're just cleaning that up because you made a mess and you want to really form the eye. Now, some people make it an almond shape. You just got to go to what your eye is, you know, what your eye look like. And that's all I'm doing, just cleaning up. Girl, yes. I'm too sharp. I'm sharp, sis. Don't laugh at me. All right, so now I'm going in with Lash Me Up Cosmetics. These are called Melissa. I went ahead with my face because y'all see this so many times. So lashes are on. Yes, bitch. It looking popping. All I'm doing is going in with a LA Girl. I said it looking popping, bitch. I'm going in with an LA Girl pencil in the color Black is Black. It's their Glide pencils. I love their Glide pencils, and you're going to see. And then I'm just going to go in with some mascara. Girl, that little dot guy right there, and I was not fixing it. I was like, oh, well, like, that's going to be that. Girl, I was not, I was not fixing that. And I went out like that. Shit, think it's a mole or something. I don't care. But anyways, we popping. Now, you know, you got to take off that scarf, sis. This hair was laid, honey. I let that shit sit last night. What? Oh, what? Okay. Let me not slice it. Yeah, shit. Laid. Okay, so let's go on the lips. I didn't know what I was going to do with the lips, so I went in with a black Kat Von D liquid lipstick, right? I wanted something that was going to match my eyes. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just outline in this black. That'll be cool. I didn't know what I was going to do from there. But then I ended up having a LA Girl Glide pencil. Oh, my God. And it's in the color Gypsy Teal. You're going to see me apply it, but I'm just talking before I apply it. Girl, this shit was, like, lit. I put it on. I was like, oh, yes. Like, it's cute. Like, look at this. You see how that teal color pops? And it's, like, so complimenting to the eye. Oh, bitch, look at that. So I was like, should I put something in the middle of that, or should I fill it into my whole lip? Whole lip? Yes, we gonna do whole lip. Girl, fill that bitch in. And that's the lip color right there. So I just got a liquid lipstick and then a Glide pencil by LA Girl. Check the description box. You'll find all the, you know, details and stuff like that. I hope that you guys enjoy this. It's easy to recreate, and it's a bomb-ass look, okay? I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boos, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all. Mwah.